na 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 na. Ophelia. Oh, party!
Narito tayong lahat para nagtitipon sa hapon na ito sa harap ng Diyos upang masaksiyan ang pag-iisang dibdib ni Joshua at ni Micah.
Where can I go when you don't hide?
Thank you, Lord, for this day. Salamat po. My love, you were persistent then, and you are patient till now. And that's how I knew it was always you.
Still remember the first time na nagkausap tayo? Sa Siomayanto ni Kuya Jao sa Sapanta. From that moment na kinausap mo ako and asked me to vote for you para sa student council, everything started with a simple, oh, iboboto kita. And it led us here.
Lord, kayo po maging sentro ng kasalang ito. Pinagtitiwala po namin ito po, Panginoon, sa inyo.
Sana wag mula!
Where can I
I promise to build a home with you. A home filled with love, peace, and wonderful adventures. A home where the warmth we build becomes the home that we always want to come back to.
Will you promise to cherish her?
I will.
Yan, no? Tignan mo siya sa mata, ha? Para, ano,
Hearts have spoken. Let it begin. A rush to my head and it's technicolor. A rush to my head.
Thank you sa pag-attend. Thank you sa paggawa ng oras makapunta dito sa once in a lifetime na kasal namin ni Micah. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.
A rush to my head and it's technicolor.
I vow to choose you every day, love. To take care of you, katulad ng pagmamahal at pag-aalaga ni Tito at ni Kuya. I vow to try na sundin lahat ng utos mo, kahit sobrang dami. Kasi mahal kita.
You've always gone the extra mile for me. So today, I just walked this aisle for you.
Moonlight, midnight blue. Into the silence we echo through. I've been waiting for so long just to find you. Just to find, just to find, just to find you. Just to
will you take Joshua to be your lawful wedded husband? Nag-iisip ka pa?
I will.
Kaya namin yung kapatid namin dito sa mukhang ko. Ayos-ayusin niya. Pwede mo bang itago niya na to?
Thank you. Thank you, girls.
Wala
for-
naman akong show.
Ay, sorry. Thank you kasi nandito kayo and naka-attend kayo. You really made time and you really went out of your way to get here. To deserve ng mga hopya and snacks and water.
Cause you light up the park.
Congratulations, Micah and Josh.
Congratulations, Micah and Josh. God bless you.
Nag-isip ko rin ng malalim eh. Oo. Sabay-sabay na tayo. Congratulations, Joshua and Micah. God bless you.
Cause in a sky full of stars, I think I see you.
You have always got my back and I promise that I'll always have yours. I am excited to paddle all around the world with you.
Your sky full of stars, your heavenly feeling. You're such a heavenly
With God as our guide, love, pinapangako kong pipiliin at mamahalin kita habang buhay.
Today and every day after this, I choose you.